Let's go. Hello, everyone. Hello, Kurt, and hello, Gizzy. I try to be chill and focused, okay? Yeah, I'm a bit sickly and tired today, but I think we can still do some paperwork on the magic side, since every magic needs a backbone, and this is bureaucracy and numbers, I think. I did some preparations already, but it's far from a point where we can really see or interact with magic. Everything at first needs to be like laid out down, be in different rules, etc. I don't know where the rest are. Most of the time it's pretty chill here, so yeah, that's common. So together let's just hop into Unreal Engine and I show you what I got so far. Oops, music, cool. I hope you had a wonderful weekend anyway. So we are here in my little test level. Thank you. I really missed that weight on my shoulder. The double pad is the best. Yeah, anyway, this is the place where I did my research on the blacksmithing in general. I can just play around here, mess around with this stuff without hurting the normal level too much. You maybe delete the blacksmith building a bit later, but I still do some little touch-ups and bug fixes here, so let's just ignore that part. I already spawned in a player that is not me, so I can look what the player is doing. And I'm so sorry, but everything we will do now will be just in text and blueprint. So take your time, do whatever you like to do while I'm doing all the techie stuff here. So let's go into the event graph of our player. There's a lot going on, like really so many functions here. And just for testing purposes, at the end of the init of everything, I started to spam some spell parts to test how they work out, and got some little feedback from each loop. To explain it further what we are doing, I will open the magic component. This is part of our player model. Edit magic, and everything that's around magic will be here. I already got a bunch of functions that do stuff. The most important one will be this one. The people of our supporter group, the lovely one, they have already seen this. This is like the main function of the magic system that I'm working on. And besides people seeing different sorts of things in that shape, this is just a loop in 3 parts. Since we have 3 different spell signs or spell sign types, so we are looking for first one. Where can we see it? Maybe yes, here. We have a what, which is the element. We have a form. Oh, pardon. We have a form which describes what kind of element we want to spawn, like not the element type of how it's looking like, but the major form. I'm so sorry. I need to turn off my mobile first. Someone tried to call me. So yes. The form can be maybe a ball, maybe a cylinder, a ring, or something else. And the deliverer, the last part of our 3-part spell, is what we want to do with that. It can be a projectile, so we want to throw it at something or directed at something, someone. It can come from above, it can come from the ground. So the spell will determine what you are aiming for. And since we have, I think it's 7 or 9 different what's, about 5 different forms at least, and at least 5 different forms of deliverers, I think. With all the combinations, we come to a total of round about 450 or something spell combinations. So that should be way enough for you. So what we are doing here, since we rely on some certain type of spell grammar. So you first make your sign for the element, the what, then you make your sign for the form, and last but not least for the deliverer. Oh, and I can see there is some love in the air. I can really feel you, and I'm so glad to have you here. I hope the activity field will tell me soon. Zaki, oh my gosh, 20 months. Thank you, darling. Thank you. You're so kind, and I hope you're doing well. Yes, whoop. Oh, yes, Pedro was really partying here. Yes, so back to my thing. I got a loop running here, so we are looking first for the what, and if that is not set, then we are storing that one. Then we look for the form. We have to be sure that the form is not set yet, and the what is not set. And last but not least is hatch to be the deliverer. And this will be the last part. We need to activate the main phase of our spelling. So the main idea is you cast 3 different signs. While you do that, a circle will form in front of you, displaying the signs you already casted. And when done, there will be some sort of orb in the center. And when you grab it, then you arm your spell and you are free to just let it go and have some fun with your magic. I only made the true parts here. We have to make some falsies here in case of you did something in the wrong order, or the first one is not the proper one to start with. I will just create make an event here. Add custom event. I call it multicast circle fail. I call it like that because I will make it a multicast, which means it's reliably projected onto every computer that is able to see this area where you are. And in this case, we will have some sort of sound, maybe some sort of special effect there to see or to show you that you did something wrong and your spell crashed maybe. But for now, I will just bring up that in here. And let's close all other tabs for the beginning and go back to add sign. So whenever we have this false here, I can now implement this baby here. So it's prepared, and we can later on find some nice sound and some nice effect to tell people, okay, this one was not right. Like this. If you've done everything right, like really everything, we have some last checks. We check the need of that spell, and the need means the need of energy, of your magic energy, to make this spell happen. And then we are checking again if the spell is really ready. So let's go in here. I'll show you what about the energy consumption. Here you can see again the words what, form, and deliverer, because every kind of sign you are casting has a different need for magic energy later when you release it. So there are spells that are more greedy, and there are spells that are more lightly. And you have to know your own barriers and what you can do. And a special one here, unfortunately I can't zoom in anymore, we have a form of scaling. So when you casted all your 3 signs and your circle is complete, you'll be able to just grab it and squeeze it to make it smaller, or to drag it and make it bigger, and that scaling will be brought into your magic itself. Means the more energy you need then, and when it's scaled up, the bigger your magic circle that you're spawning, your fire circle, your volcano type, whatever, will be massive. And therefore we have this scaling. We return a square of that one. The minimum is 0.5, so you can't squeeze it down to take just no magic. So the absolute minimum you can bring it down is to half, and the maximum is the maximum scaling you are applying here. Then we are checking if you have enough energy. I have a set notify. In this case, this is here. I have just strings running through here since we have no feedback here yet. And when that is done, then I will work with your needed magic and your magic tolerance. This is a completely new system, and translated it means you have some sort of exertion, some sort of magic fatigue. Magic can be really tiring if you overdo it, and over time when you level up, performing more spells right after another and performing bigger spells won't hurt you that much as, for example, a newbie would do. I'm not going into damage side, it's just giving you little fatigue, maybe some sort of tunnel view until the lights go black if you really overdo. So when we check the spell need, we are definitely doing that add to your exertion. And craft that side here, yes. And check spell ready. We'll just look if everything is set here as well. You can see it's doing its job. We are running through that circle over and over again whenever you make a new spell sign. And what I definitely need to add here, because it's not done yet, if your magic, I mean, it can really ready, but not in case of not enough energy. Let's see, enough. You just need to add this as a reason to continue. So all of them have to be set, and we definitely need enough energy. And then we can determine if your spell is ready to get used. This is some sort of just some sort of button, like a light switch, and it just tells the system if you are ready or not to play with it. I will just turn around here and you will see some little things coming up here in this corner when I hit the play button. This is the magic we are having at the start. bell was building, it was ready, it got armed, and we gained XP. I need to check on that because new level after 50 XP is pretty early, but I just started to work with that. Let's go in here. I got the magic level XP check here. We need to get closer, closer, closer. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, there's some weird stuff here. Who are you? You are 100 points at level 1. Yes, somewhere in between. You should be there. Those are definitely wrong. Now it's looking great. Oh, sorry. Like here, this is the your magic learning curve. The needed XP and what level you reach to. I already made it until in this case it's 8,000 points, and we can add more. I think that was my issue here. 150 and level 100. There you are. No, sweetie, you have to go back there. Behind that? No. Switch up, maybe? Oh, that's higher. Level 100 was okay. Here we go. I effed up just 1 0. Let's test it again. We shouldn't get another level, but it still does. So let's check on that. Magic component. There is check level. I have to check the numbers now. So we are just comparing two different numbers here. First one will be the floored and calculated number that we got from our curve. Here's the magic level XP curve. Let's make a check here. Print string. Append to get multiple lines here. First of all, I want to know the XP. Then make it like this. Next line. I want to see the floored expected level. And then the old level. Then let's see if we are getting some other conclusion here. Already. Oh, that was a bit short. We need more than 2 seconds. Let's make it 20. We can talk a bit about that. Oh, level 1, old level was 0. Oh, got it. So we definitely reached level 1. That's okay. Like every bit should be enough to get into level 1. We can test if there will be more to it. So, but you see, it's looking for 100. we're not at 100 yet. It was just 50. So there's still something wrong besides the flooring. Level XP in time. What time is that? At least the level was just 1. And the XP, and here's the level. I will take away that flooring, and we want to see the exact amount where we are going. $100 XP. Gained, it says gained 50. Are we collecting them wrong? $100 XP. Well, maybe I have some XP left. Let's see. Because we haven't. No. There is nothing stored yet. Us. Magic fatigue. And magic XP is 0. Where do we get our magic XP? They have to be added somewhere. Okay, so we are already getting a 100 here. I will reduce all of that because, yeah, with a 100, this would definitely be a correct answer. But we have to see it elsewhere. Magic XP. Key, gather XP. So when we are gathering XP, let's check that. Is there any sort of is XP gained? Modify magic XP. Amount plus magic XP. This is 0, so this is saved in our vitals component. Correct. And so let's say XP stored. Give you another color. We have some color variants, easier to read. And yeah, what we're doing here is getting the novelty XP. So if you have some new spell, there is some novelty multiplier that prevents you from getting more XP when you just spam the one and only spell, over and over again. So whenever you do something new, you will get some sort of boost on it, and this will be multiplied with the magic XP we got from the exertion and the current spells you chose. Then we have that, we are adding it to your old XP, so what you had so far, and I'm reading this one here. So this is the exact amount we are giving into the modify magic. This is important. We are saving the known spell. Magic XP you get with a special drink. You can't just drink your way to excellence. Magic level? No. Let's make another check what we are storing here. building, ready. XP gained, XP stored, and it's still telling me we're getting a 100 here. That can't be right. So, why not? Because we are talking about practice and experience, and a drink is no experience. At least your mind will think that you are great. That is something different. Check on that one. We're called just once, so that one XP gained is just called once. This is good. And this one is only called once as well. One vitals changed. Let's see if there's something weird to it. I don't think. No, I don't think there is something wrong here. It's just nothing to us. This is going in correctly. Modifying here. I'm using the same amount here, but we're getting a different number. I'm really a bit irritated about that one. This is new. It's betraying us. With that amount, of course, we have to land somewhere around level 1. We can already start with 1, but that does not make any sense in case of our problem. 50 is stored. 50 is stored. Set magic XP. The amount, the old one was 0. And that was it. I'll make a test on it. And string. And we make you 20 seconds as well. And I give you a orangey color. Maybe there's some sort of mingling with our numbers. Oh, this was the level, yes. Bacillus. No. Don't have the magic. Oh, it's the hand UI. Okay. Yeah, this one does nothing. It has no power over our experience, this part. It's just the visual of our hand. Where's my heal spell? Make spell? Cast spell here. Wait, do we have gather XP twice here? Let's check that. Maybe I have the gathering twice, but that should be seen then. We find the reference. It's only this one, and this is where we come out. XP, modify XP, magic XP. Let's do just one little dumb trick, and I'm calling this one after the modifying. Let's see where we are. Are we getting a 100 then? XP gain 100, there it is. It's happening after that. Somewhere in between here, it should do something. Don't see anything. It's changed. What if I delete that one here? Get the XP. Don't need that one here. I wanted to use it at that place just for the easiness gained stored. Again, can't just multiply my stuff. Modify magic XP. The stored one is just 50. It's telling us. Are we still checking the same value? XP gained, and I am asking now for vitals component magic XP. So that the value that we are having in here after performing that block should be now our answer. This building, yes. So we are working with that. Here we are. So not that value. Here it is. I'm so dumb. I re-added it. I just did not see it. Ha! Now it should be fine. Palace building, ready, stored. No new level. Great. So let's cast another spell after the first one. This building, ready, stored, another. Are we getting a new level then? I haven't seen it. So our experience was now 150 after both rounds. Save everything, just to be sure. Modify magic level. Yeah, this is what we need to make next. Magic component here. Take level. Yes, I detached that, so that could not fire. Bum bum bum. Spell ready. Building ready. New level. Yes. Great, so this works. Finally. Which brings us to another thing we definitely have to take care of. Since we are now working with levels and want to give you some sort of progression, I am starting to save your magic data. At first it will be stored within the game. Later on we will store it within the game server. So whenever you are switching maybe servers or whatever, we are talking about game instances I'm using for test purposes, let's say like that, yeah, later, then you will be able to just bring your own character with you and don't have to start all over again. And to make that work, we already have some pointer. This will be needed. Progress. Where's more here? Because I want to just copy everything you have used here in your player profile just for the progress stuff, and we only need one variable. All stats. Make it forward like that here as well. Yes. This is just one object. Let me see it somewhere. We are reading it through your vitals component. Health, healing, dead. Can't see it here right now. We're just bringing them in. Anyway, this oh, I forgot. Yes, we have to do it in our game logics. I'm pretty much sure it's the player controller or the game instance. Yeah, it is game instance. Yes. We have some save files for the settings. And we have some saving for the profile. And now I want to do the same trick with your progress. So we will just follow that one and copy paste that basically just with other names, and then make it work. So whenever you reload the game, you will get your level and your XP in the magic area. We will add different areas of XP as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to see you guys progress, and the next step will be displaying your progress on your Kovari, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot to do. We got a cache profile. Let's see, profile, cache profile is here. This is right, cache profile, profile name. We already got that here. I can call it maybe cached, but it's the same naming. We don't need the Steam ID here because it's already set in the profile. The slot name is something I use to make your save game readable. Yes, a lot. I see Zeki can't wait to level. So we need save as game slot, save player progress. Just duplicate that. We're using you. Oh. Variables toggle types as an array. Nope. Escape. Oh yes. No, then we have to rename it back. So you are not the same. Progress. Maybe I did the Let's check if we're already using you. Find reference. No, I can change the type first. Progress. Oh no, ASCII player progress. Object reference, yes. This is right now. And now I can call you cached. Now you're going in here. This slot name goes in here. Tidy up everything. So this is all we need for the saved game slot. Welcome home, Zeki. I hope your ride was sort of pleasant. Does saved game exist? I'll just copy that one first. And then we will rename everything according to our needs. Auto create settings. Okay, player profile. Let's see. Slot name. Load. Auto create. Save. Only have that one here. Okay. ASCII save game profile pointer. Yes. Load game from slot. We are using that one here. I already copied that. We got our progress slot name here. Well, I arrived. Let's say that's all. Oh gosh, you poor one. I have to rename that, as you can see. So instead of profile, calling it progress pointer, cast, progress slot name is saved. This one is saved here as well, and the progress pointer is saved here. Cool. So in theory we should have the saving and loading. Load or create progress. Let's see. Does save game exist? Yes, I have to make the last part here. That part. We will have to delete a lot from that, but I will just add it to this view so we can see exactly what we need here. I'm sure we have to connect them. Yes. So instead of the profile slot name, I need my progress slot name. The cast needs to be a new one. Do we have another cast? Profile pointer, yes. Ooh, this could be worse if I just take this one. You are SG progress. I know I have some. Progress pointer. So this is the right cast we need here. Since we're not in profile but in progress. We have the slot name. Get slot name. So you are the right one. You have to check every node. The rest seems to be fine. Here we need the SG progress without pointer. Player progress. You belong in here. If failed, you go in here. If right, you go in here. Cache profile. Ah, you're wrong. Now we need a cached player progress. Thank you, my sweetie. So what we do here, we are looking if there is a save game of you already, if you have created one, and if yes, then we are just reading it. So this is the player progress part. We already have save game object, and if not, we are creating one progress. Set and save progress instead of a save profile. Here we are. So this is all data about your profile, like name, locomotion type, your parents, here we are. And now, since we got that, we have a split display name, create event. So we just have the object here, which has nothing in yet. Player progress. Let's go in there. SK player progress. Yes, core stats. This is all the stats we need, so it's just one object. Let's test it. Yeah, the core stats, perfect. Let's break them. Here we are. Sweet, sweet. So everything is here. Vitals component. Do we have anything here to apply core stats to vitals? So this is where we bring our data into this vital component. Like we'll bring it from the save file into our system. Means I have to call that applies core stats to vitals. We need to get from this to our character. Create empty branch, generate current name. That's what we are saving here. Profile, current player appearance. You are not replicated, but I need to get to know where we're getting them from. I expect our characters grabbing them because I got some imports here. Yes, the game instance, yes. So this is the lifeline of our data. Going up there, up there, up there. Now we have to bring that into our vitals component, like here. Like core stats to vitals. Progress. Get cache progress. And I need the core stats. You can just smash it before we're changing the appearance. We can continue now here. So cache player progress is fine. I will make the save player progress just to be sure. And this is set. We are creating this object here for the new players. I think, yeah, this is just some node, so nothing special in here. But when we are creating that one as our cache progress, like the SG player progress with this data here, we will have to determine what we are starting with. So when we are using this as a start, you are starting as a dead person, which will be not good. So in this case, we are starting just with some basic stats here. So the maximum HP you got here. All the multipliers I have here, those are modifiers for your damage whenever we have something like that, your overall strength, your speed, and then magic XP. You're starting with nothing. Magic level is nothing. Known spells, none. You're currently having no magic power when you start. We are able to give you later on maybe some easy ways to gain it, but in the normal case you have to eat certain types of food, and the nutrition will give you your magic energy, and the magic fatigue will be definitely on 0. So you can be sure that you are not already exaggerated by, is it the right word? I don't know. Good, so this should be done. No issues here. We have to bring that in when we are saving and loading that player progress, the player profile, sorry. I'm looking for the reference. We're going in here. There it is. It's pretty much at the beginning. Let's bring that one in here. They are together. They do their thing. Network stuff, great. So we are already loading in. Means as soon as we have some changes through our magic component here at the check level, now delete that. So in case when there is a new level here, we have to save that. Means we have to go to our vitals component and give that data to the vitals component, and the vitals component will save the data. I'm calling for the owner. And we are looking for a component by class. The vital, oops, not virtual. The vitals component. Oh. We are, and inside here I can do the, we already have magic level here. That's good, that's good. I don't have to recall it here because we already know it then. I can do the modify level. Modify magic level. And the new one is that one. If it's not higher, then we don't do nothing because we don't do anything. Yeah, so we are saving that locally and then have to tell it our game instance to save it as well. icons. Here it is. Tack Peter. I hope you had a fine day and thank you again for your help. Yes, we're here to play a profile. I think we have to work in here, cache player profile, and then modify it, load progress, save progress, change. Here it is. So like for example, we are changing the turn speed. With that, I am changing the cache profile and save it. So we have to do the same. We need to give it some function. I call it change magic level, and we will need a change magic XP. XP like this. I will definitely need to start doing categories then. Progress. Otherwise we will get really, really crazy and lost. Progress. Good like that. First of all, we want to update our magic level. So since we got that, I have to press compile first, otherwise you won't be able to see it. And since we done that, change magic level and change magic XP will be provided to our vitals component. Change magic. Nope. Or maybe I have to cast first. Cast to GI. Yes. Magic level. No, wrong one. Here it is. But it's not completely active. We need an input. Level. You are an int. So we know what to put in there. Compile again. Then on the vitals component, we got that level input. So whenever you are in doubt why you can't see your stuff on another component or another blueprint when you're referencing, don't forget to compile. Compiling is important. And if you still can't see it, then right click and refresh nodes, then it will reload everything on that node. So we are saving that one. I'm getting you. Get core stats first. Split. And then we have to set core stats. Split. So general level. Maybe okay. We still have to debate if we want to make our level in each direction that you are learning, additionally leveling you in some sort of general level. So when you are mastering, for example, 13 different things, then you should be able to show that off in your overall level maybe. That would be cool and awesome, I think. So yes, I've set that. I have to quickly change turn speed. Yes, the cache profile. And then just save profile. Cache player progress. And then save progress. So whenever you level up here, then this is saved. And we need to do the same with the magic XP. XP input. Save you. I'm just copying all of that because it's pretty much the same. You're just overwriting not the magic level but your XP, and level to level will be the same. And save that. Now for the XP part here in the vitals component, modify magic XP, we have to do the same with the level. So we're getting the instance. I don't need that because that's the level. The instance. Change magic XP. Clean and simple. So now I wonder when we are starting the game. I'm saving everything now. BPVR character. When we are starting here, I just ask for the magic capacity we have, but I want to know something different now. Core stats, and let's make the level. Core stats, can we please have? Real mod. Then give me break. I want to see my magic level when we are starting and see if it's increasing. I'm not sure if it's already saving. We'll have to see and check if it's already working. So we're starting with a level of 0. Second spell is building. And we don't see anything. I think I deleted everything about the XP. Oh, there's a lot of I show you my magic log, my message logs. This is the number of blueprint arrows I get now. So let's just check it. It looks horrifying, but you can see where it's happening. That's the last part. So most of that is in our game instance, and there is just a bit in our character. So let's see. Apply core stats to vitals. Access none. Trying to read properly. Change player progress. Apply stats to vitals. Stats. Maybe this is coming before that. Delay completed. We're already that late. That's interesting. Cache player progress. We are not accessing it. Cache player progress. Are we getting you too early? Quickly check in here. Apply check 2. Toggle bind event. We are casting it from here. So we are getting that already. And I'm getting it from the cast. That's already fine. but it means our GI Campfire load create profile, load create player progress. Maybe it's not saving because we are not having a proper game, just a simulation. I will try to play it in the selected viewport. So that was a start. I hope I just started it quickly and stopped it, and I hope it managed to give us our save. This building. Let's hit stop. Okay, so this one is having issues when we are playing it out like this, since we are not playing a proper game, I assume. Let's try and see. I will quickly look into my game folder and see if there is already a save game. Save games, user settings, profile, progress pointer is there, but the progress itself is not saved yet. Okay, that's a clue. So SG player progress, let's see, load or create. Is this name empty to us? Yes. Then we have to look for that. Does this exist? True. Load game from slot. I am deleting the progress point now. So we are coming up in here. New GUD, yes. Player progress, it's named correctly. Create save game object, yes. And we are saving save to game slot. Save game object, and that is correct. Look at that. So we are here. Does it exist? False. So we're going in here. This profile pointer slot game. Going into that. And then we are connecting here. Maybe I lost that one. Yes. Those two ends, they need to go in here as well. So you go in here and you go in here. So whatever we are doing, we are loading and activating everything here. Maybe that was the issue. So I got a pointer, but no save game file. Then let's check on you. Maybe my pointer is not correct. Slot name, profile pointer, slot name, they look the same. So profile and progress pointer seem to be okay. And let's look into my profile here. Yeah, progress here. Maybe there's some sort of difference. I have to just check. That's just the default values. There's nothing in there. No, can't see anything. SG player profile. They are both hopefully the same type. Blueprint class. You are a save game is parent class. Save game is the parent class. Why you're not saving? Let's check on you again. Profile pointer, profile pointer, profile pointer. Progress pointer, progress pointer, progress pointer. Yes, the progress pointer as well. Yes. Slot name save to slot. Yeah, is the pointer as well. I'm closing everything in between so I don't have to search it every time. You two are going into that one afterwards. Yes. Profile slot name. We should take a new one just to be sure. Progress slot name. Progress slot name. We're casting to progress. Load. It's true, yes. Player profile. Oh, yes, still a player profile. Yeah, I got one. Generate default name. We don't need you here. And we are saving not profile but progress. So now everything is fine here. A quick check. It's doing its job. Play that one, and we have no errors. Yes. Next time we're starting, let's see if we are having already some sort of progress here. Yes, we are starting with level 1. We already got into level 1. Are we still level 1? Yes. Cool. So XP and level are working. They are working pretty fine. Let's look at that file. None in property. Yeah, this is great. So if people don't have a special parser on whatever the save file is doing, then it should be pretty hard for them to mingle with our core stats. This is great. I mean, it will be only available to every supporter by then, until we got everything into our database where it's probably stored and saved. But that's a good start. So we are able to level now. I am able to level now. Whoa! Which means we can concentrate on the next step. So we can close that one now. We don't need you. Vitals, fine. Oh dear, update when? I will definitely make an update. It will not include the magic yet since it's not done. We need all the effects, all the sounds, all the outcomes. But the next update will include some minor patches I did on the midday woman, because she was acting weirdly. Talia was floating. I brought her back to on her hoofies, and some smaller things. Also, the blades should appear now. I haven't checked on the blade bending yet, but the blade, whenever you do a cooling, should work. Yeah, I grounded her. Oh no! But I really love her already. She's looking so cute, and I can't wait to give her some proper motion capture. The animation you see when she's standing behind the desk was completely handmade. But now I can try to like act like her, do some cleaning, and just some basic hoof walk. She's absolutely beautiful. Thank you. I really love her. Like really, she is the most purest soul you can imagine. She's so nice. And you have to imagine she is one of the first ones on that island that was willing to give our Nahis some shelter, because she is following the idea of whoever is coming to her tavern will get some bed, some rest, and something to eat, and she will do her best to make that happen. And yeah, doable. Yeah. Anyway, we need more magic. So magic XP stuff is looking good. Our checks are doing fine. You can close that. Magic level doing fine. Core stats, yes, I need to work on that one now. Stat level, do we have some basic level here already? No. We have to create one. Motor variable. Let's call general level. Then we have our health. Maximum. Strength and multipliers we don't have yet, so let's throw them to new variables. And directly we will group them into different categories. I'm looking forward to this magic system because it's already in its core idea so awesome and so powerful, yet pretty sleek. I can't believe we're doing that. So you're next. That's right. Then we have to insert known spells. Here we are. Ta-da. Okay. Categories. Some basic stuff. General level. Multipliers. What do you... What multipliers? Maybe... Could we name that? Modifiers. Modifier? No? God, I can't type. I need to look that up. I'm so sorry. My brain is cooked. Modifier. Oh yes, just with I. Fire. One modifier. Known spells goes to magic. This is great. Okay, so we are applying all the stats to our vitals component. I don't need you anymore. You did a great job. Thank you. We need you still. Yes. Oh, we need everything here. Change appearance. You can go. Now, as you can see, when I'm doing the add sign node, which is just the end of any sign you do, I have a fixed gesture ID here just to work with numbers instead of names, which is easier. And I want to test if we can just make something wrong, and I use the number 19 as a start, which should fail. So in our magic component, we have to multicast circle fail. I want just a print for now. It should tell us that we can't start a circle with that sign. Let's hope for the best. Failed, yes. This is good, and we don't have enough energy when we are doing that one, since we have no energy now at the start. This is good, this is great. So 2 things tested. You can't bring your spell in when you're not having enough energy, and you can't spawn them in the wrong direction. What I want to do next is the gesture spell here. Let's see where we are. We are start recognition. Track IDs is the blacklist. No, we are starting with all of them. Start new, protract gesture, predicted gesture, shimmer, yes. Spell sound, magic active. So the this is the first part here. And when we are releasing and the magic was done correctly, we finished the recognition and we have a ID. We originally went into the old system. I definitely let that there, since we have some sort of time where we will need both. And to make that happen, sound attached, spell sound. We'll move everything here a bit more to the back. You get your own one? Yes, thank you. It's less cluttered like that. So we are activating both now at the same time, just to be sure we are using both systems, since you still need the old magic component with the little lantern on it, and so on, since you are pretty much on your own there with all the darkness. As soon as the new spells are done with light magic, etc., then we are taking this one out. I'm already making you, I think there was some sort of deprecated thing I could activate. No. Then let's make you a comment. Yes. Old magic. Show bubble when zoomed. Yeah, there's unfortunately no highlighter for the old one here. Good. And then now to the new magic component. Just bring that here. And we take the add sign. And insert that here as well. Comment. New magic system. And then we just continue. What comes after that part here has nothing to do with the magic you spawn. You just get the magic sound of the yes, you performed well sound, and we are destroying the sparkly sound of your spell weaving. And after that, yes, spell sound is set to 0, magic is not active, and we are working on that as we did. Good. So this one is already implemented. Weird. Yes, compile does work still. This is good. So whenever we are doing some magic, you may see some prompts if you're looking really good at your top left corner of your headset. Please bear with me. They won't stay for too long. There's still stuff to do, but bit by bit, we are going to change all these prompts that I'm having there as logs into more natural and VR friendly UI. Speaking of, some will be haptic feedback, some will be just sounds like the sound, then you know something went wrong. I want to use that as well. Again, spawn sound attached could be good. Can attach that sound negative when we are doing, you know, a magic component, that circle fail. And we need the owner. And what right vector? Oh, first we look for component by class. Motion component controller. Not visible component. No, this is too boring. We need collision cylinder or arrow component. Net smoother, scene component. Yeah, proxy is a scene component. Maybe the skeletal mesh. No, we have several ones. Let's see what happens if I just ask for an arrow. That should give us some sound here. Can we get the right motion controller? No, we can't here. Not from here. Not safe enough. The multicast circle fail will have at least this sound. We can maybe change it later to give it some special sound and not just the sound we are having when you fail the sign. Can't hear it right now. Thank you for nothing. Stop our music, please. Fart noise. Oh no, Gizzy. Can't hear you anymore. Why can't I hear you? I'm not doing anything. Stop it. What's with the rest of the sounds? Yeah, that's working. Oh, that's the one when we are having a good spell. I will definitely bring that to the end of a circle, something like that. So we have to add a different sound when we are adding a proper sign. This is something. Oh, I just heard it. It's so silent. Volume modifier. Yes, what's wrong with you? Here it is. Saved. Yes, then we have the shimmering. Yes, this is what we are hearing when you're casting your spell. The teleport arrive. I love that sound. Okay, cool. That's about this part. Next up, we will have to decide and work on the different outcomes. This will be more interesting. Plus, we need to create different blueprints from now. I want to keep everything in here, I think. So the magic system is some sort of separated thing besides everything that is blueprint item, etc. So let's make a new folder here. Blueprints. Because there are a lot now. New folder. Let's make one for the circle because circle. Right. Because we will have different types of circles. If you are into magic and you will level up over time, the magic circle that will appear in front of you to not only show you what to spawn, but also every other player and monster, so they can shit their pants when they see what you are attempting to do. They will look different depending on your magic level. Thank you, Gizzy. So there will be some differences in here that will be cool, and the circle will look differently depending on the element you are spawning. For example, a light circle would be something heavenly, light yellow in that direction. A fire circle will be orangey red, and so on and so on. And yeah, this will be in that direction. So either it will be different in its let's say the design. Will be different between like a simple circle and a master circle in different steps, and the color will be depending on what element you are calling. Now the next one will be the spells I cast. Explosive diarrhea. That will be green and brown, I think. Maybe. Okay. Next folder. Spells. I would say we need to create only a handful. Earth magic or thunder? Yes, thunder, definitely. You just you get electro fight and then you shish your pants wahrscheinlich. I really hope this will be great. Let's maybe start with a circle because I have to just create a nectar. Blueprint. Spell. Circle. Again. Am I having a stroke? Let's make this one simple first. I need just a plane for the start. We are rotating the plane. 90 degrees like this. So this is great because we can see one side and then we know which side it is facing. And I am spawning this one now. Height, we will have to see what height. Maybe I'm trying to get the height of the camera so it's centered right before you and in the way you're looking, hopefully. This one is already done pretty much by Lily, who worked on our quick menu. So let's try and see what we can get there. We are getting into the magic component back, and we go to the add sign. When we are here, check spell need, check spell ready. I think we can maybe use the check spell ready as some sort of partial. So before we are calling it really ready, I just want to know if this one is already set. Branch. Bring it here. Beautiful and tidy. We need more space because there will be way more. So when the current what is set after a check spell ready, let's maybe add some current what check spell ready. Are we? I think we need spell science, novelty level XP. Current what? Okay, I need an actor variable. Let's call it spell circle. Yeah, this time it's right. An actor. And we need it as an object reference since we are saving it. We are going for a Boolean end. No Boolean end. We just have to ask it at the front when we are in true. Are you valid? Yes, no. True. When you are valid, then you can continue. If you're not valid, then we are spawning a circle. Spawn actor from class. Spell, gosh, I can't type anymore. Spell circle, here we are. And I'm saving this one. It's not compatible with return value. Go on actor. Now you do. Okay. The transform we are getting soon from our camera, I think. Yes. You still need data. I just want to quickly go for the menu here and see where left motion controller, VR replicated camera, yes. And then got the world location. Let's take this one. I think that is enough. Let's see. Return value, get rotation. And we need the owner. We need the component by class. Camera. Replicated VR camera component, which is via replicated. Replicate via camera component object reference. Yes. So we're getting your rotation. And let's see what we're missing here. Okay, I'm taking the location of that one as well. But let's swap it up just a bit. So it's not in the same area as your face. We need a bit of some distance. At world location, let's see. How can we determine what direction we are looking at? I think it's the arrow component. You don't have any details. Why don't you have details? Net smoother, we can use. Maybe I can get the look at direction. Redirect this log, no. Already looking at us, but it's not far enough. So let's see, location. For now I will recombine you. And we have to split. We have a location. So first of all, we just take that one. And then let's see, we need, you are the second, you are the first. This is horrible. Oop. Like this. You're number one, you're number two. Split. 1, 2, and 3. So this is our player. It's going to spawn it. It's normal that they are looking differently. So spell is building. And we don't have any magic capacity. That's okay. I will give you some beforehand. Thank you, Gizzy. All stats. Vitals component, we are modify, no. Magic level, modify silliness, amount, give you 200 from the start. Before we cast anything. That should be enough for both spells. I just want to see if we can see the plane popping up when they start. Not enough spell building. That's in the vital component. Maybe it's not getting down there, or we are not taking it from the proper side. Let's go there. Check spell need. Get owner, get vitals component. Okay. Then we will test it. Vitals component has to show magic is visible. I just paused the game. So I can go down to the vitals component. Here we are. And it's still 0. I hope it's doing fine now. Nope. Doesn't want me to modify that. Why? What personas amount? Modify. Clamp. Service max. 0. Oh, it does not save. Yeah. Me dump. That explains a lot. Spell building. Ah, that is okay. We have to rotate it differently. Check spell need, cast spell. Yeah, ready. So there's a 180 rotation. Let's try to make this just 90. Okay, this is that direction. Where was I? Magic component, sorry. Do we need your 180 then? 90. This. Okay, now it's this way around. Oh. It's sitting down there. So it swapped in that direction. You were wrong. We need to rotate you on the Z. Yes, there we are. It's a bit close still, but I'm sure we can get that done. Let's break you. Split. And split, split, split. Yeah, it's still readable. The Z is fine. We want the same height. Now to the X and Y. We have to find out in what direction we need to look. So let's try and see where we can go. Or we get, you know what, we can do a simple trick here. Import. We go for the replication camera and we are adding a scene. Circle spawner. Get the tag. Circle spawner. I'm copying that. Compile save. And for the location, component by tag, looking for that, a scene with that name. That could be already enough. We don't need all of that shish. That world. Transform. Recombine. Recombine. And recombine. Going just for that one. Because now our little scene will determine exactly where and in what direction. So this is the circle spawner. Let's make it appear about that far in front of you. And if the direction is not correct, then we are moving just that bit. Perfect, so just 90 degrees and we are fine. Was it this direction? Yes. The circle is facing us. This is just a placeholder so you see anything. But this is what we need to work with now. So since we have our spell here, hello green guy, hello chat. Welcome, welcome. I'm happy to have you here for a briefly said hi. How are you doing? Spell ready, spell not ready. We don't do that one. Cast spell. I need my cancel spell. Everything will be nullified here, and so will our spell circle. First, we destroy this actor. And later on we will have to decide what happens to that magic circle. Will it follow you around or will it just stay in place? Sleeping weird hours, but otherwise good. Woo! What do you mean with weird hours? So it's appearing, building, ready, armed. Okay, then it's building again. We have no pause in between. Let's go in here. I will add a pause. Add sign, delay, add sign, delay, add sign, delay. Scale spell, arm spell, cast spell. We need a delay here longer, so we can definitely see where we are going. Boop, boop, boop. Oh no, I misclicked. Delay. Let's make it 2 seconds so we can definitely see if our plane is going away. So building, ready, armed, gone. Yes. Next one, building, great. Well, my schedule currently is from 2 to 10:30, which is 8.5 hours, but for some reason recently I've been waking up still tired and sleeping in until 13 or later. I really feel you. I got the same. I could sleep and sleep right now. But we don't know yet what to do with that. Maybe more sleep, or is it already some sort of early autumn fatigue? I don't know. Maybe it's just the summer heat and the ever-changing weather. Okay, since we got that, we have to play with different things now. First of all, you have no collision. No collision. No. No. You do nothing. Weather has been shifting, which is super nice. Oh, happy to hear that. It's nearly my favorite season. Yes. Good to hear. Can we maybe? Just as an example. Ah, yes, it's showing. Something like this will be what I'm going for. Check spell ready. Owner. Let's make instead a spawn actor attached, maybe? Or we can attach it to us. Attach actor to component. We already have this one here, this component. So we will just drag it with us. Let's make a task but with slower spawns. Or I just stop before we are casting. Then it should stay where it is. Oh, that's not good. It just jumped away. Spell circle. Attach socket name. Oh, keep snap to target maybe, or keep world. Let's see. I snap. The keep relative rule was keep world. Let's try this. Want this to, yes, to spawn here. This is great. And when you're moving, then it's right before you. Great, great. So the annoying big circle is right in front of you. We will definitely have to find a good way how to work with that. And even not possible. Yes, I needed some sort of nice and appealing placeholder. We can create the next or the first simple design. I mean, this is already doing us a very good favor. We have 3 different slots, which is what we need. I think we will do something in that one. Yes, I think we can draw some magic circles in the Wednesday stream, at least the simple ones, to see what could be the most newbie type of circle, which is just maybe this round piece with 3 segments. Most important is we need to have these 3 segments always at the same space. This will be so super important. And what can we do with you now here? We need to grab you. I need a sphere. Definitely shrink you down. Maybe that big, just to be sure. Do we have something fancy for now, just for the test? What are you? Oh, just text. No, you're boring. Oh no. We can't have you. I think it's interfering a bit with that, since you are, I assume, a decal material. That will be fine for now. Simple reference, yeah. We take this for the start. Now we need to change something here about that. That sphere needs to be like a 0 size. Scale. Set. That world scale 3D, yes, maybe. When we are spawning it, it should be invisible. Yes. And when we arm it, then we will have to tell this baby here to grow. Come on. We need a... I think it should be a custom event that is multicast. Ready. Multicast ready. Multicast reliable. I need a timeline. Play from start. Every time, play from start, baby. And when we update it, float track. So first point is 0.0. Second point is time 1 second, 1/2. Let's say 1 second. And value is not 1. 1.2 maybe. Let's try 1.2. One update. New scale. Yeah. Oop. Go in here. And this will be our scaling when this baby is ready. So we are getting back into that one. Cancel spell, cast spell. Make spell ready. When we are ready, spell ready. I want to get this one, spell circle. I think we have to cast to spell circle. Yes. And multicast ready. When we are lucky, the center part should grow. Yes. It's a bit slow, but it's working. So 1 second is too big. Let's make it 1.5. Yes. This is a good start. You're doing good, your timeline. Have to do some more stuff. Add custom event. Take cast element. And we have to add a custom multicast level. We're getting the level first. Multicast reliable, multicast reliable. And in this case, we need some element. Element tether. Spell saying what? This will help us to determine the different colors that we want to add to the system. I think it's easier to bring this one more down here. So depending on the level, I still don't know what we're doing here, but there will be some sort of different layered system. You can already do something about that with a switch. So those are all the elements we are having right now. That's enough. At least for the start. We're doing nothing or none, the rest will get its color. And this color will be spawned onto the material of our sphere and etc. all the rest that we have here. So these the materials we are using there, they will need some special treatment, so they are able to change the color, etc. But we can already prepare everything like that. Circle. So when we are calling you, we already know what we are doing with you. Do we need a cast? Oh, we can directly go into that. That's great. So I'm first doing the multicast level. And level is not a boolean, level is a number. Compile. And voila, it's a number. Long spells, current magic XP. We have to get the experience live from the vitals. Get owner. Component by class. Vitals. Nope. Get general level. Get magic level. You go on top of that, you go on top of that. Let's make a sandwich. Then we know that one. And we already should know the current what. So we can get that in there as well. Multicast level, multicast element. There we are. And this is the current what. This will give us some nice thing there. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. I think that's great. That could really work for us. Custom event. Multicast form. You will need to get that as well in there. Multicast, reliable. Form. Not transform. Spell sign form. Depending on the form or when we are getting the form, we can add some smaller changes to the visual of your circle. I imagine something like your circle is growing over time, and we need to add, of course, a perfect fitting sign. Which that's why we are here with these. You can see the collection of different forms. And I need multicast, no, custom, we need to add it. First multicast, deliverer. This input deliverer. Not sure if we are using that, but there's definitely a way that we can just take this to amplify the visual of our spell sign. But we have to call it. So multicast element are done there. When we are going into add sign, let's move here a bit more to the back. Check spell ready. Check spell need now. Maybe after the ready. We call you? No, I have to cast you. Spell circle. If the cast fails, we are going directly back. If not, then we are going to multicast form and go back. Current form is here. So whenever we are changing something, then we are telling our circle what's happening there. Same goes here. I'm just taking those two now. So if the cast fails, we're going directly into that. If not, then deliverer. So there as well. This is great. This component. Let's play a bit more with our parts here. I think a plane should do. Just to bring some flat signs in there. Maybe we can make them a bit wobbly, a bit shimmery, or with just material. So let's add a plane here again. Bingo. Sign what? It's bedtime. Yes. Okay. I'll be right there. So, boys, girls, and all in between, it's time for a little break. I'll be right back in a minute or two, just kissing the kids goodnight, and then I'm here with you again. So take the time for a little break, grab a beverage of your liking, and then I'll be back in a moment. Hello, hello, I am back. I hope you are back too. Anyway, we have been here, and I want to add different planes for each of this sector for now. When we draw the final circles, then we're going to map those as well. So this is one. We need to shrink you down. Shrink, 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 shrink. Let's bring you here. And for the sake of not flickering, just a bit to the front. I will copy you. In here. Maybe we should start with the center one as a what. So you are the deliverer, for example. Sign deliverer. You are sign home. And you're the what. So each of them will be invisible. And I think we can maybe turn them or let them quickly grow in some sort of way. There is no fixed meaning into that. So this is the size we are having here for these. This is like the final size. I will make all of them here appear. And we're shrinking them as well. Like this. Then they are invisible. So event graph. When we got multicast element, I think we should, no matter what the element will be, I will just connect them afterwards. We need a new timeline. And then finish. Add timeline. What row? Lay from start, please. And what? Update what and null be direction. Curve 0, 0. So we have the same size again. Then the maximum will be again half a second. So this will be nope. 0.5. I'm getting now the proper scaling of that little plane here, deliverer. I need that. This is the maximum we want to have. And I will add another key here. We're just moving it a bit over so it's growing and coming back. A bit of auto. This. And this should do. So when multicast element is coming, we should be able to see first sign part now. No, it does not. Am I calling it? Let's see. Are we doing it properly? We don't do it here. Wait, when are we calling that? Podcast form. Element. first element. We're doing that in shell spec ready. Check spell ready, check spell ready. Wait a minute. Component. Yes, we are finding that one. Circle spawner. And I'm calling that one. Maybe it's not properly called, so I'm going in here. Play from start, sign what? It should do something. What? So basic material is there. Why can't we see it? Are you invisible? Did we hide you somehow? The construction script isn't running, so there's no need for you to be hidden. It should be visible, but it's not. Maybe it did grow properly, but we were just not able to see it. Basic material, basic shape material. That's the wild thing. Maybe it's really because of the construction. Yeah. Do we still have that number? Yes. So the scaling did work on them, but not the retrieval. Let's print again. Just a hello. Hello showing, but not my growth chart. Maybe the number was not correct that I did there, and we need some bigger number. Can't hurt to test that. Oh yes. If you're not connecting, then it's not growing. Sorry. Save from start. You going here. Okay. Event graph, grow is okay. Oh, that's a bit much. I don't need you anymore, I don't need you anymore, and not you. Want some stamp animation? Yes, like this. Let's see if we can copy these and paste them onto others. We use the same one? I don't think so. Event graph. If I use you. Save from start. Home. Copy, paste. On update. that in that. Let's see if we animate them both then. Okay, cool. I can definitely use or reuse that. This is cool. Fine form goes in there. Oh, I did the wrong one. Yes. Deliver us the third one. The placeholder set, this is pretty decent. We need to make that grabbable, but not the rest. So inside of the magic spell circle, I am adding a grippable sphere. There you are. Shrink, 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 shrink. About that size. Yeah, that could be enough. I'll make you visible for a moment. Not hidden in game. You can see how the growth looks like in comparison. It's not that bad. It'll be a bit bigger, tiny bit. Yeah, so it's definitely grabbable. I want this dome. We can. What if we make it not a sphere, but a grabbable mesh with a sphere? Then I don't need that. Grabbable static mesh. Correct position. Then we go to you. I'm grabbing you. Get that? I'm copying all of that, paste. Sphere. For now, that same material, just to see if it's doing the same. Static mesh. And I find reference. You will go in here instead of that. And you will go here as well. Then we have both at the same time. We have a visual part and we have something grabbable. And as soon as you grab it, then we are able to cast your spell. And bingo. Spell circle. Have now that gripple static mesh. I am doing here on gripped. Let's just ask if the gripping controller is from your owner. I think that would work for us. However, I need to get back into a magic component. Edit. PBR character, oh thank you. I wanted the component, not the whole. Yeah, edit. Attach actor component. Okay, so we are making this our parent. Let's make not this the parent, but the owner. This is us. Oh, okay, we can't do that, but here, this is then correct. And then you belong in here. So we know the owner. Gripping controller. Let's see if we can check if this is the owner. We can make it maybe only grippable by the owner. Let's see. This would be way easier than checking afterwards. Let's see. Grippable static mesh. Maybe there are some grip rules we can use. Grip script, deny gripping. Advanced grip settings, priority. Physics settings, nope. Application, yes. Then let's go in here. Start with the default. Let's see if I find something active. Override, deny auto drop, deny late updates, inject pre-physics, application. No. There's something. Set owner on grip. No. Only owner C. This is cool. This invisible now for me since I'm not the owner? Oh. Construction grippable mesh. Are you not hidden, darling? Having that one already as big as F. It's too big. Why are you not reacting properly? Whippity woppity. Oh, it's set on minus something? No. I need you in positive manner. But set world scale 3D does not apply on that one. Oh, see. I mean, the other ones, they are hidden, so this one should too. It's not. Let's find something different. Maybe the relative scale? Do you want to be relatively scaled? No. You're not listening. That's okay. That's okay, honey. You need your own world scale. Do you feel better then? No? Because of that? Look, it's doing that now. Okay. I will find a way. New scale 000. Maybe you can't, yeah, you can't zero a grippable static mesh. I assume they have maybe some sort of minimum size to be grippable. This one seems to not work. Target is scene component. Do we have another scale? Set all mask scale, set mask scale. This is just physics. Set bounce scale. Maybe that. Deliverer form element ready. Set scale. Set bounce scale. What do you do with that information? Are you connected? Yes, let's try this then. Oh, you're having this thing now. Interesting. Nothing. Okay, another trick maybe. What if we need a parent? Yes, you are acting weird, my darling. This, and you go away. I'm adding a scene. Call you sphere parent. Thank you, Gizzy. So this one will be a child now. Set scale or set transform maybe. Word transform. Yes, I do. Split. And here the same. Transform. Split. Just I need to set world scale. Maybe we need to talk again with you. Yes, maybe our static mesh is too small now. Parent is size 1. Why are you hidden? Visible hidden in game. Thank you. So final form. A bit bigger. Thank you. Now we combine the construction. kidding me? Great. Class settings. Set scale 3D. Should do the job now. Fingers crossed. Bam bam badam 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 bam. Oh, why you're not listening to me? Play from start. Update. Are you even triggering, my darling? Yes, you are. World scale. Time value. Oh, it's to 0.2. Quickly check that. Multicast ready. We need to position to a 1. And we make you both a bit curved, so it's smoother. You're nothing. Where are you? Sphere parent. Set world scale 3D. Sphere parent. Set relative. Ooh, wrong one. Set world scale 3D. Yeah, that can't work. We are scaling on 2 different layers, then this can't work. Still nothing. Great. Play from start. Oh gosh, my brain is already so fried. Nothing yet. Update finish track. We're going to value 1. Let's investigate. Parent sphere. General stuff. So this one is already scaled to 1. And you are scaled like that, but not visible to the eye. I scale you additionally. Do we see them? No, so there's an issue with that. Maybe a grippable static mesh was a wrong idea. Let's have it split up into sphere. Alone should be okay. Out of that one. Did I still keep you? Have I made one sphere too much? No. That's my old one. And let's just keep you instead. First of all, I need to deactivate you, otherwise we won't see anything. Campfire, here you are. Great size. You're looking good, darling. Yes, let's delete you. It's okay. Okay, darling. These fears are giving me some real weird shish. Are you scaled? No. Sphere, you should be scaled in more than one direction, darling, to work. So like this. This is the size that I want from you. Test with just a static mesh. Yes, thank you. Let's bring you in here. And we keep the parent since we can use it to add a sphere collision or a groupable sphere, that's better. Activate you for a moment. Yeah. So this is the grippable object. Good news, we have a Shashka! Yes! I'll be right there. So this one is good. Construction is running. You go here. One, two, three, bam. Yes. Prototype is working. This is good. This is so awesome. Thank you, Gizi. I think we should take a nice image of our work now. Magic component. Edit. What should we? Cancel spell, cast spell. Let's give them this blueprint part here. Going to stretch it a bit so I can get everything onto my screenshot. Perfect. Since there is no show and tell, I will have to post something like this now. And I think in the next stream we can do the first version of the signs that get in there and how the first circle can look like. And yeah, bit by bit by bit, we are getting our stuff done. And with the friendly help of Zeki, we are getting a new helping hand in the asset department. Speaking of the wonderful effects that we need to make magic look awesome, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think that's all from my side for today. Yes, big love to Zeki. It's wonderful from her to take such a big thing onto her. She's really doing great and learning all kinds of animation parts used in Unreal Engine, and this is immense. But I think, yeah, that will be everything from my side. My brain is already cooked. I think it's ready to be eaten. So let's wrap it up for today. By the way, have you figured out why Garbage Crafter didn't see the grinder? I did some changes to how the grinder was loaded. I hope it will work for him now, and we will see. But yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you everyone for watching. Thanks for being here with me and enduring that long stream. I hope you had a fun time anyway, and I wish you a wonderful day and rest of the week. Have a good day, good night, and whatever time zone you are. I love you all. Bye bye.